All right, today we're taking a look at a septic system that has a deck and a patio built over top of it. You can see here that they made the manhole riser ring in the middle of the tank as it ought to be. However, this one looks like it's made on site by somebody who does not know what they're doing. We can see a ton of soil intrusion below the metal collar, in between the metal collar, and the best part is that when you go to pull the lid out of the hole, you'll see that the lid on the tank is smaller than the hole for the metal part of the lid. So the issue with that is that you're not going to be able to get a proper pump on the tank. By not getting a proper pump, you're going to decrease the life expectancy of your drain fields because the solids that are in the tank are not going to be able to get removed as efficiently. In the event of repair, such as a baffle replacement or a sewer line repair, all of this real nice composite deck and all of this hardscaping is going to have to get torn up and destroyed. So before you go ahead and start putting fixed structures over top of your system, you need to think about the future maintenance. Nowadays in our area, you're not allowed to put a deck even remotely this close to a septic system. So more than likely, either A, nobody pulled a permit for the deck, or B, nobody really paid attention or cared where the septic system was in relation to the potential project. So whenever you're doing any kind of construction on your house, it's a good idea to have somebody come out, locate your sewer line, flag it, mark it, locate the septic tank and its absorption system, so that way you don't accidentally make your repairs later far more expensive and far more damaging to your property than they need to be. Everything at some point will break. In our area, the most common things to fail are the baffle, the pipe between the tank and the distribution box, and the distribution box itself. Over time, the sewer gases will corrode it and it'll just collapse and fall apart, and then you'll have to repair it. Traditionally, how we fix it is we just dig up the lid. That would be roughly right here, lay on our bellies, slide a new baffle in, no problem. But if you have to pay somebody confined space entry, your price is now gone quadruple, because now somebody's got to pump this out, have the correct gear, have the correct safety equipment, go inside and fix everything without destroying your hardscape. So before you build, just make sure you know where stuff's at.